Oh, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me again. It's been a minute since I made a video. Just had really nothing to film, and you know how it goes. But anyway, body kit is here. Hyped. So I actually planned on making a cool little funny edit thing to open the video up about the kit finally being here after 1 year of waiting. But the box came out of the truck and it was looking, I'll show you how the box looked. Yeah. The fact that they wrote fragile, they put the fragile stickers on the box all over it. On the shipping receipt thing that they emailed me the day before, must have said fragile about 50 times on it. Didn't really fill me with confidence. Then I saw the box coming out, was like, this is gonna suck. So we wound up opening everything up while the delivery guy was still here looking at it, and maybe so far I only saw 2 bits of damage, and they're both on the rear over fender. So let's take a look at what we got here. I taped the rear over fender on. The side skirt is in place. The door is kind of holding it in place. Then the front bumper is sitting there. The rear bumper is sitting there. Rear bumper, well, I'll show you in a minute. But front over fenders are not on because I need a new hood and headlights for that. So I don't want to put that on just yet. I don't want to take off the fender to put that on since it's a replacement, the front one. Just to have to put everything back. We're going to show you the front first, just to get a general idea, but it's not really going to look as good because, like I said, I need new headlights and a hood. I'm going from a Zenki, which was the 95 and 96 body style, to a Kuki, which is the 97, 98 body style, which is more aggressive. I like it better. If the front end was pretty clean already on my car, the Zenki car, I probably would have kept it, but the way it is, I already need full replacements of everything. So if I'm going to replace everything, I'm just swapping a Kuki. Let's take a look. Like I said, front end will probably be the last to get changed, which is the 2 front fenders and the front bumper, because for the 3rd time or 4th time, need a new hood and headlights and turn signals too. Show you what the over fender is supposed to look like. It's in the bag, but has vents, kind of cool, and the rest is just whatever. So this is a 30 millimeter wider. This is 30 millimeter wider. I'm not sure if the front is 30 also. Rear is a 30, but initial fit up, since my rear fenders are rolled and pulled already, they might almost be pulled about 30 millimeters because I think it's actually pushing the over fender out a little bit. Let's look at it quick. Got a nice little lip there, pretty wide. Another vent. Another vent. Another one. Not too bad. As you see, the wheel is not sunken in too far, but I'm pretty sure my fender is pushing this out a little bit. And this is all the way against the car, and it's about 1.5 finger thickness, because that's where you're going to mount up to the rear bumper. That rear bumper, you get a general idea. I'm going to have to do some modifications with that bash bar. The only reason that's not on yet, we hit the little toe point on the bash bar, so I can't get the bumper all the way in right now, but yeah. So the stock side, basic skirts, nothing. Wider, sick. There's gonna try to make this a quick one because I'm not gonna start bolting anything on just yet, even though the rear overs will probably be really easy to put on. I do need to get some hardware for it. I think they have forget what they're called. They're like well nut certs or whatever, but they have rubber ones that when you tighten the screw in, it expands and it's rubber and they're removable. Probably gonna do that. Got to get some decent looking hardware since there's all spots to drill it straight into the fender. So one of the other things I have going on, which I need to find the rest of the parts for it, but as we knew, if you follow along, ignition has been broke. So I did go to a locksmith to try to get a key made. Where are the keys here? He said he couldn't cut it because the key was broken too bad, so he couldn't copy it. You could actually send your VIN number into Nissan, and then they could give you like they give you something to do with the key, a way for it to cut it. You could cut the key by VIN number. So I think your dealership or manufacturer, whatever, will give you the info. Then you bring it to the locksmith, and he cuts it to the correct depth and whatnot. From what he's telling me, that's what I understood. So I go to look online, and there's a very good chance if your car is over 10 years old, the dealership doesn't even have that info anymore. So I went on eBay, found another ignition with the key, and this one actually came with the door lock also. So now I'll at least be able to get into the car, because the way it is now, if I were to just change this, I wouldn't be able to lock my doors, which is not a good look. So at least this way I'll be able to lock the driver's door, then the trunk and the passenger door I could open from the inside. No big deal. Just the quick taping the pieces of the kit on. It looks pretty decent fitment. I mean, it better be pretty decent fitment for taking a year to get. As opposed to this 190E here that we have, well, don't look at that fender, but the rest of the stuff on the 190E, we have a bumper, and I only have the side skirt on so far. That's the Evo 2 kit for the 190E. That fitment is horrible so far. So that's why I'm just taking my time, getting to it when I get to it, when I have a little extra time and I can put some pieces together. I've been doing that. I got to fix a piece on the rear bumper on that. The wing needs some like Bondo. We showed you the bad part on this. Oh, I showed you the rear quarter on the driver's side. The passenger side is the other piece that I saw was damaged, which is right here for the gas cap, the gas door. Not a big deal. This I could just Bondo. This one I might have to fiberglass repair, which I do have. Fiberglass repair kit. I'm going to put up on the screen what the kit should look like when we're done. Well, it is going to look like. So I have all the pieces in this picture except for the wing and the hood. I haven't decided which hood I'm going to go with yet, but I'm probably going to do a Sabon carbon fiber hood. And then the wing, I'm probably just going to leave the wing that's on the car right now. And if I wind up changing that, I'm going to do a big wing. But I also haven't found a big wing that I really like on the cars. They look good at like one angle, then other angles they look horrible. On this specific car, for some reason, some cars look really good with the big wings. This one, I don't know yet. I kind of lost a little bit of the motivation with the car, and then the kit finally came, and now I'm hyped again. I'm really motivated. I want to get it all together. Not sure, most likely going to wrap it, but I was on the fence between wrap and paint. Probably going to wind up wrapping it, because I don't want to paint the damn thing myself, and painting is very expensive. That will probably come in time. We'll see how wheel fitment is, then we might have to get a different set of wheels at some point, and then if we change it from purple, I can really paint the car or wrap it whatever color I want. Right now, whatever color I wrap, it's gonna kind of have to match the purple wheels. That's all we got for today. Sorry for not making a video for a little while, but got excited for this damn kit, because like I said, it took a year to get. I paid extra money for the expedited shipping to get it faster. Still took a long ass time, but we also were in a global pandemic, so it is what it is. What's done is done. It took a little while to get the damn kit. It's here now. We're happy. We're gonna get this damn kit fitted. I don't know when. Probably soon-ish. Soon-ish. Got to order probably gonna go inside, order those things I was talking about for the fitment in the rear to bolt everything up. Gonna have to figure out how we're gonna bolt the rear bumper in, because I believe the stock bumper had studs coming out that you bolted in through the trunk. This just has a hole there, nothing coming out, so I'm probably gonna have to glue something or something into it, figure something out with that. Get hyped, we're doing it. 190E is coming along slowly. That's gonna be a long-term project. It's gonna take a lot of work to get that to fit right, and I don't know if I have the skill to do that, but it'll take a while. We're gonna do our best. Thanks for joining me. Look at this damn car again. Well, I'll do another walk around, but peace out, subscribe, comment, like the video, share it, do all that good stuff, and peace.